Welcome to our video on how to negotiate with your bank to get the best deals and rates. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies that you can use to negotiate with your bank and get the best possible deals on your loans, credit cards, and other financial products. Banks are in the business of making money, and they do that by charging interest and fees on the products and services they offer. But that doesn't mean you have to accept the first offer they give you. By negotiating with your bank, you can often get better rates and terms that can save you money in the long run. In this video, we'll cover some of the key strategies you can use to negotiate with your bank, including how to prepare for your negotiation, what to say during the negotiation, and how to follow up after the negotiation. So, whether you're looking to refinance your mortgage, get a better interest rate on your credit card, or negotiate lower fees on your checking account, this video will give you the tools you need to negotiate with confidence and get the best possible deals from your bank. Before you start negotiating with your bank, it's important to do your homework and prepare for the negotiation. This will help you to be more confident and effective during the negotiation. Start by doing some research online to find out what other banks and financial institutions are offering for similar products and services. This will give you a baseline for what you should be asking for. Next, make a list of the specific things you want to negotiate, such as a lower interest rate, waived fees, or a longer repayment period. Be specific and realistic in your requests. Practice your negotiation with a friend or family member. This will help you to refine your approach and feel more comfortable during the actual negotiation. Finally, gather all the documents you'll need for the negotiation, such as your bank statements, credit reports, and any other relevant financial information. Having these documents on hand will help you to make a stronger case for your requests. By taking the time to prepare for your negotiation, you'll be in a much better position to get the best possible deals and rates from your bank. When it comes to negotiating with your bank, what you say and how you say it can make a big difference in the outcome. Here are some tips for what to say during the negotiation. First, make eye contact and be confident. This will show the banker that you are serious and prepared. Be polite and respectful, even if you're frustrated or angry. Remember, the banker is there to help you, and being rude or aggressive will only hurt your chances of getting a good deal. Explain your situation clearly and concisely. Be specific about what you're asking for and why you think you deserve it. Emphasize your loyalty to the bank and your history as a customer. This can help to build rapport and show the banker that you're a valuable customer. Be willing to compromise and find a solution that works for both you and the bank. This can help to build trust and increase the likelihood of a successful negotiation. Finally, thank the banker for their time and consideration. Even if the negotiation doesn't result in the outcome you were hoping for, being gracious and respectful can help to maintain a positive relationship with the bank. By following these tips, you'll be able to communicate effectively and negotiate with confidence, increasing your chances of getting the best possible deals and rates from your bank. After you've completed your negotiation with the bank, it's important to follow up to ensure that everything is in order and that the agreed upon terms are being met. Start by reviewing all the documents and agreements that were signed during the negotiation. Make sure that everything is accurate and that there are no surprises. Check your account regularly to ensure that the agreed upon terms are being met. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, contact the banker immediately to address them. Send a thank you note to the banker who helps you with the negotiation. This can help to maintain a positive relationship with the bank and show your appreciation for their help. Refer friends and family to the bank if you're happy with the outcome of your negotiation. This can help to build goodwill and strengthen your relationship with the bank. By following up after the negotiation, you can ensure that everything is in order and that you're getting the best possible deals and rates from your bank. In addition to the tips and strategies we've already covered, there are a few more things you can do to negotiate with your bank and get the best possible deals and rates. Shop around and compare offers from different banks and financial institutions. This can give you leverage when negotiating with your current banker and help you to find the best possible deals. Consider getting a co-signer for your loan or credit card. This can help to lower your interest rate and increase your chances of getting approved. Consolidate your debt into one loan or credit card. This can help to simplify your finances and lower your overall interest rate. Negotiate with multiple banks at once. This can help to create competition and increase your chances of getting the best possible deals and rates. Be patient and persistent. Negotiating with your bank can take time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. By using these additional tips and strategies, you can negotiate with confidence and get the best possible deals and rates from your bank. Thank you for watching our video on how to negotiate with your bank. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Good luck with your negotiations.